Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Seed, where you grow your English every day. I am Ryan.
Hi, everyone. I am Sophia. It is wonderful to be here with you today.
Today, we are going to talk about introducing yourself.
Yes, and we will learn simple English sentences you can use when you meet someone for the first time.
This is a very important topic for beginners.
I agree. When you meet a new person, you need to say who you are,
You can talk about your name,
your country,
your job,
your age, if you want,
your hobbies.
and why you are learning English.
Great. Let's begin with the first moment.
Saying hello.
A useful sentence is, "Hello, my name is Ryan."
Very simple and very useful.
The expression is, "My name is."
It means you are telling someone your name.
Informally, you can say, "Hi, I'm Ryan."
A polite sentence is, hello, my name is Ryan. It is nice to meet you.
Example 1. Hello, my name is Sophia.
Example 2, hi, I'm Ryan.
Nice.
Ryan, when do we use hi?
We use hi with friends, classmates, or people in casual situations.
And hello is a little more polite.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about asking someone's name.
A useful question is, "What is your name?"
Very easy.
Informally, you can say, "What's your name?"
A polite question is, may I know your name?
Example 1. What is your name?
Example 2, may I know your name, please?
And the answer is, "My name is Ryan."
Or simply, I'm Sophia.
Great.
The next moment is saying, nice to meet you.
A useful sentence is, "Nice to meet you."
This is very common.
It means you are happy to meet the person.
Informally, you can say, good to meet you.
A polite sentence is, "It is a pleasure to meet you." Example 1. Nice to meet you, Sophia.
Example 2, it is a pleasure to meet you, Ryan.
If someone says, "Nice to meet you," what do you say?
You can say, nice to meet you too.
Excellent.
Let's practice. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Very good.
Now, let's talk about where you are from.
A useful sentence is, I am from Egypt.
The expression is, "I am from."
It means your country or city.
Informally, you can say, "I'm from Egypt."
A polite sentence is, I come from Egypt.
Example 1. I am from Indonesia.
Example 2, I come from Turkey.
A useful question is, where are you from?
Example, where are you from, Ryan?
I am from Egypt.
Great.
What about you, Sophia?
I am from Canada.
Nice.
Listeners, where are you from?
You can write one sentence in the comments.
For example, I am from Indonesia.
Or, I am from Egypt.
Very good.
The next moment is talking about where you live.
A useful sentence is, I live in Cairo.
The expression is, "I live in."
It means the city or place where your home is.
Informally, you can say, "I live in Jakarta."
A polite sentence is, I currently live in Cairo.
Currently means now.
Example 1, I live in Istanbul.
Example 2, I currently live in Kuala Lumpur.
A useful question is, where do you live?
Example, where do you live, Sophia?
I live in Toronto.
Nice.
Ryan, where do you live?
I live in Cairo.
Great.
Now, let's talk about age.
This can be useful, but sometimes you do not need to ask.
Good point.
A useful sentence is, I am 20 years old.
The expression is years old.
It tells someone your age.
Informally, you can say, "I'm 20."
A polite sentence is, I am 20 years old.
Example 1, I am 18 years old.
Example 2, she is 25 years old.
A useful question is, How old are you?
But be careful.
Yes, in some situations, this question can feel personal.
So use it with friends, classmates, or when it is normal.
Good advice.
Now let's talk about work.
A useful sentence is, I am a teacher.
The expression is, I am a.
We use it before a job.
Informally, you can say, I'm a teacher.
A polite sentence is, I work as a teacher.
Example 1. I am a student.
Example 2. I work as a designer.
Another useful question is, what do you do?
This means, what is your job?
Example. What do you do, Ryan?
I am a teacher.
Great.
What do you do, Sophia?
I am a student.
Nice.
If you do not have a job, you can say, I am a student.
Or, I am looking for a job.
Good sentence.
Now, let's talk about study.
A useful sentence is, I study English.
The expression is, I study.
It means you learn something.
Informally, you can say, I'm learning English.
A polite sentence is, I am studying English to improve my communication.
Example 1. I study English every day.
Example 2. She is learning English online.
A useful question is, what do you study?
Example. What do you study?
I study English and business.
Great.
Now, let's talk about hobbies.
I like this part.
A useful sentence is, I like reading.
The expression is, I like.
It means something makes you happy or interested.
Informally, you can say, I love music.
A polite sentence is, I enjoy reading in my free time.
Example 1. I like football.
Example 2. I enjoy cooking.
A useful question is, what are your hobbies? Example, what are your hobbies, Sophia?
I like reading and listening to music.
Nice.
What about you, Ryan?
I enjoy walking and watching documentaries.
That sounds interesting.
Thank you.
If you are enjoying this lesson, please like the video and subscribe to English Seed.
Yes, it helps us create more daily English practice for you.
Now, let's continue.
The next moment is talking about family.
A useful sentence is, I have a small family.
The expression is, I have.
It means you are talking about something in your life.
Informally, you can say, I have one brother.
A polite sentence is, I live with my family.
Example 1. I have 2 sisters.
Example 2. I live with my parents.
A useful question is, do you have brothers or sisters?
Example. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
Or, no, I am an only child.
Only child means you do not have brothers or sisters.
Good explanation.
Now, let's talk about language.
Very important for our learners.
A useful sentence is, I speak Arabic.
The expression is, I speak.
It means the language you can use.
Informally, you can say, I speak a little English.
A polite sentence is, I am learning English to communicate better.
Informally, you can say, I want to speak better English.
A polite sentence is, I am learning English to improve my future opportunities.
Example 1. I am learning English for travel.
Example 2. I am learning English for my studies.
Another example, I want to speak English with confidence.
That is a great goal.
Yes, confidence is very important.
Confidence means you feel ready and comfortable.
Good explanation.
Now, let's put everything together.
Great idea.
Let's make a short introduction.
I will start.
Go ahead.
Hello, my name is Ryan. I am from Egypt. I live in Cairo. I am a teacher. I like reading and walking. I am learning English to communicate with more people.
That was very clear.
Thank you.
Now my turn.
Go ahead.
Hello, my name is Sophia. I am from Canada. I live in Toronto. I am a student. I like music and cooking. I am learning English because I love languages.
Very nice.
Notice, listeners, the introduction is not difficult.
Yes, you only need simple sentences.
Name, country, city,
Job or study.
hobby.
Reason for learning English.
That is enough for a beginner.
Now, let's review some vocabulary.
Word 1. Name.
Your name is what people call you.
Example. My name is Sophia.
Word 2. Country.
A country is a place like Egypt, Indonesia, or Canada.
Example. I am from Indonesia.
Word 3. City.
A city is a large place where people live and work.
Example. I live in Cairo.
Word 4. Job.
A job is the work you do.
Example. I am a teacher.
Word 5. Student.
A student is a person who studies.
Example. She is a student.
Word 6. Hobby. A hobby is something you enjoy in your free time.
Example.
My hobby is reading. Word 7. Language. A language is what people speak, like English or Arabic.
Example. I speak 2 languages.
Word 8. Confidence.
Confidence means feeling ready and comfortable.
Example. I want to speak with confidence.
Great.
Now, let's review useful expressions.
Expression 1. My name is.
Use it to tell someone your name.
Example. My name is Ryan.
Expression 2. Nice to meet you.
Use it when you meet someone.
Example. Nice to meet you, Sophia.
Expression 3.
I am from. Use it to talk about your country or city.
Example. I am from Egypt.
Expression 4. I live in.
Use it to talk about your home city.
Example. I live in Jakarta.
Expression 5. I work as.
Use it to talk about your job.
Example. I work as a teacher.
Expression 6. I enjoy.
Use it to talk about something you like.
Example. I enjoy reading. Expression 7. I am still learning.
Use it when your English is not perfect yet.
Example. I speak a little English, but I am still learning. Expression 8. I want to improve.
Use it to talk about your goal.
Example. I want to improve my English.
Excellent. Now, let's talk about simple grammar.
Very simple grammar.
We use I am to introduce ourselves.
I am Ryan.
I am from Egypt.
I am a teacher.
I am learning English.
In speaking, we often say I'm.
I'm Ryan.
I'm from Egypt.
I'm a teacher.
I'm learning English.
Both are correct.
I am is clear and polite.
I'm is natural and common.
Another grammar point is a before jobs.
I am a teacher.
I am a student.
I am a designer.
But do not say I am teacher.
Say, I am a teacher.
Very important. Now, pronunciation practice.
Word 2. Country.
Country.
Say it slowly. Country.
Country.
Word 3. Student.
Student.
The first sound is strong.
Student.
Word 4. Language.
Language.
Say it slowly. Language.
Language.
Word 5. Confidence.
Confidence.
Say it slowly. Confidence.
Confidence.
Excellent.
Now, let's practice speaking.
Listeners, repeat after me.
Speak slowly and clearly.
Hello, my name is Ryan.
Hello, my name is Ryan.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I am from Egypt.
I am from Egypt.
I live in Cairo.
I live in Cairo.
I am a student.
I am a student.
I work as a teacher.
I work as a teacher.
I like reading.
I like reading.
I enjoy listening to music.
I enjoy listening to music.
I speak a little English.
I speak a little English.
I am still learning.
I am still learning.
I want to improve my English.
I want to improve my English.
I want to speak with confidence.
I want to speak with confidence.
Wonderful.
Now, let's ask our listeners 2 questions.
Question 1. What is your name?
You can answer, my name is Ahmed.
Or, my name is Maria.
Question 2. Where are you from?
You can answer, I am from Indonesia.
Or, I am from Egypt.
Please write one simple introduction in the comments.
You can write 3 sentences.
My name is Ahmed.
I am from Egypt.
I am learning English.
Very good. Sophia, today we learned many useful things. Yes, we learned how to introduce ourselves,
We learned how to say our name,
how to say where we are from,
how to talk about where we live,
how to talk about our job or study,
how to talk about hobbies.
and how to talk about why we are learning English. These are simple things, but they are very important. With these sentences, beginners can start a real conversation.
Exactly.
Thank you for learning with English Seed.
Keep practicing your English every day.
If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and write one sentence in the comments.
Start small, practice daily, grow your English every day.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye.